Smart contracts operate as automated programs on a blockchain that execute actions when specific conditions are met. In digital systems, processes often follow a sequence of inputs, verifications, and executions. Traditional systems rely on intermediaries to manage these steps, ensuring that conditions are met before completing a transaction. Example, in financial or legal agreement, institutions may verify documents, confirm conditions, and approve transactions before any action is taken. This process can take time and may involve multiple layers of approvals. Such systems can introduce delays, increase operational costs, and depend heavily on centralized control. Blockchain technology introduced a more automated approach to handling these processes. Smart contracts function based on a simple logical structure, often described as if a condition is met, then an action is executed. These contracts are deployed on blockchain networks such as Ethereum, where they operate exactly as programmed without requiring manual intervention. Once a smart contract is active, it continuously monitors for a predefined condition. When these conditions are satisfied, the contract automatically performs the specific action. For example, imagine a situation where a payment should only be released after a service been completed. A smart contract can be programmed to dictate when the condition is fulfilled. Once confirmed, the payment is automatically transferred to the recipient without requiring approval from any third party. This process ensures that all parties follow the same rules as the logic of the contract is transparent and enforced by the blockchain. Because smart contracts operate on decentralized network, their execution is not controlled by a single authority. This reduces the risk of manipulation and increases the trust in the system. Understanding how smart contracts works provides a foundation for interacting with decentralized applications, as many Web3 platforms rely on this automated logic to function effectively. Your reflection question for this session is simple. How does the if condition is met, then action is executed model improve the efficiency of digital transaction? Kindly like, subscribe, and comment if this video helps you understand how smart contract works. This content is for educational purposes only and does not include financial, investment, or legal advice. Crypto investment carries significant risks. Always do your own research and consult a qualified advisor before making decisions.